Are you looking to use Mailchimp for targeted lead campaigns but aren't sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Mailchimp to craft effective campaigns that reach the right people with precision. Stay tuned because I've got a bonus for you at the end that could save you time and money. To kick things off, the first thing you need to do is set up your audience. Mailchimp allows you to create and manage different lists of leads. Start by importing your contacts into Mailchimp. You can upload them manually or sync with your CRM. Having a clean, organized list is key for effective targeting. Once you've done that, take the time to segment your audience. Segmentation allows you to break your audience into groups based on criteria like location, behavior, or engagement history. This is crucial for delivering the right message to the right people. Next, let's talk about creating a targeted campaign. Mailchimp offers several campaign types, but for lead generation, you'll want to focus on creating email campaigns that offer value to your audience. Make sure your emails are personalized to each segment. Personalization isn't just about using the person's first name, it's about crafting the message to resonate with their needs and interests. You can use Mailchimp's dynamic content feature to show different content to different segments within the same campaign. The fourth thing you'll want to do is use Mailchimp's automation tools. Set up automated emails that get sent when a lead takes a specific action, like downloading a free resource or signing up for a webinar. Automation saves you time and ensures your leads are engaged at every step of the customer journey. Moving on, Mailchimp's analytics are your best friend. After launching your campaign, dive into the reports. You'll see open rates, click-through rates, and which links are getting the most attention. This data is invaluable for tweaking your campaigns to improve performance. If you notice certain segments aren't converting, you can adjust your messaging to better meet their needs. Now, one of the hidden gems of Mailchimp is its integration with Facebook and Google Ads. You can sync your Mailchimp audience with these platforms to run targeted ads directly from Mailchimp. This is a great way to expand your reach and attract new leads who are already interested in what you have to offer. And don't forget about A/B testing. Test subject lines, email content, and send times. See what works best for your audience and refine your campaigns based on real results. Even small tweaks can lead to big improvements in your campaign performance. Lastly, as promised, I've got something special for you. If you want to try Mailchimp for yourself, you can use this software completely free through the exclusive link below. Plus, we're offering extended free trial bonuses, giving you more time to explore the platform and see how it can work for your business. That's it for today. Start implementing these tips, and you'll be well on your way to running successful targeted lead campaigns with Mailchimp.